Which choice most logically completes the text? The musical Hadestown was produced off-Broadway in New York in 2016. A revised version of the musical premiered on Broadway in 2019, in a larger production. In a review of the Broadway production, theater critic Jesse Green enthusiastically praised the musical storytelling. However, Green also explained that he had seen the earlier version of Hadestown in 2016 and had found the storytelling to be very confusing. This suggests that in Green's view, blank. So the text highlights how there is the musical Hadestown, which was produced off-Broadway in New York in 2016, and there was a revised version of this musical that premiered in 2019. And then in this view of the Broadway production, a critic, Jesse Green, enthusiastically praised this musical storytelling. But the same critic also had seen the earlier version of Hadestown in 2016 and had found that storytelling to be confusing. So now we're asked to find what this suggests in Green's view. So A. The 2016 version of Hadestown had fewer storytelling problems than the 2019 version did. This is incorrect because this contradicts the information in the text, because it says clearly here that in the review of the Broadway production, which is the revised version, the critic enthusiastically praised the musical storytelling, and that the same critic also said that for the earlier version of Hadestown in 2016, the storytelling was very confusing, meaning that the version in 2016 had more musical or storytelling problems than the version in 2019, which is the opposite of option choice A. Therefore, we can eliminate A. B. Hadestown should have had a larger production in 2019 than it actually did. This is incorrect because the focus of this suggestion here in this last sentence is on the storytelling aspect, where the 2019 version had better storytelling than the 2016 version. Therefore, the fact that it should have had a larger production in 2019 than it actually did is incorrect. Furthermore, this isn't mentioned at all in the text and isn't really a focus in the text. Therefore, we can eliminate option choice B. C. The 2019 version of Hadestown was less enjoyable than the 2016 version. This is incorrect because the text clearly says that the critic praised the musical storytelling, which is praising the Broadway production, which is the 2019 version, and he had also watched the 2016 version and found that storytelling in that musical to be confusing. So overall, it highlights how the critic preferred the 2019 version over the 2016 version. Therefore, we can eliminate option choice C because it contradicts the information in the text. D. Hadestown improved greatly between 2016 and its premiere on Broadway. So this seems to be the correct answer because this properly flows with the information in the text, because the premiere on Broadway in 2019 was enthusiastically praised by critics for its musical storytelling, but that same musical in 2016 had a very confusing storyline. Therefore, it improved greatly between 2016 and its premiere on Broadway. So, with this, we can conclude that the correct answer is D.